Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks accounting software the easy way. First, you'll want to set up your company profile with all the correct details. This ensures accurate financial tracking from the start. Next, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This automates transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, categorize your income and expenses consistently to generate clear and insightful financial reports. This foundational setup makes managing your books much simpler. Once your setup is complete, focus on daily transaction management. Make sure to record all sales and invoices promptly. This is crucial for tracking your revenue accurately. Similarly, enter all bills and expenses as they occur to effectively manage your accounts payable and cash flow. A key step is to reconcile your bank statements monthly. This ensures that your QuickBooks records match your bank, catching any discrepancies early. QuickBooks truly shines when it comes to reporting. Regularly run profit and loss reports to get a clear picture of your business's performance over time. Generate balance sheets to understand your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point. Don't hesitate to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs. These can provide deeper insights into areas like project profitability or customer sales trends, helping you make informed decisions. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks offers powerful advanced features. Consider utilizing the payroll functions for efficient employee compensation and tax filings, saving you administrative hassle. If you manage physical products, track inventory levels within the software to optimize stock and avoid shortages. For those looking to enhance their home or office, remember to check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These tools can further streamline your operations and improve overall business management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.